Hi everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to make this beautiful square. I'm gonna make something with this square. Actually, I have two projects in my mind. One of them is scarf, one of them is a sweater, cardigan, something like that. But first I want to show you how to make this square so you can get ready. For this, I'm gonna use soft ease yarn from Utopia Crafts. That's an Aran category 4 worsted weight yarn. Recommends 4 or 5 millimeter nibbles. There's no hook size, but I'm gonna use 4.5 millimeter hook. 100 grams is 170 meters, and that's a very soft and shiny, a kind of shiny, and I really love the yarn and the color, so I want to use this. I hope you like this one too. If you are ready, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It's totally free, and we can start now. Start with a slip knot. Make 4 chains. Insert from this first chain, grab the yarn, make a slip stitch. We are gonna work into this ring. Chain 2. This 2 chains does not count as anything. That's just starting chains. Yarn over, insert into the ring, grab the yarn, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and that's the first double crochet. We will make totally 16 double crochets. 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 16. Insert from this first stitch and put the tail on the top of your hook. We will keep hiding it. Grab the yarn, pull through. Chain 2 and don't count as anything again. Yarn over. Insert into the same place, grab the yarn, pull it. Yarn over, insert, pull it. 3. I made it 3 times. I have 7 loops on the hook. We are gonna yarn over, pull through 6. Just leave this last one. Pull through 6. Yarn over, pull through 2. Then chain 1. With this way, these puff stitches look better. But if you're a starter, you can use the way I'm gonna show you right now. Insert into next stitch, pull up a loop, pull the loop again, and pull one more. Yarn over and pull through all. Then make a chain. Maybe you can see the difference, but it's not too important. If it's too hard for you, you can use this one too. chain 1, into the next, make a puff, keep repeating this, you will have 16 in the end. I made 16 puff stitches, chain 1. Instead of joining from here, this stitch, I'm gonna join from the chain, cause when you join here there will be a huge gap. I don't like it, so I'm gonna join from the chain. We're gonna start here, by the way, so insert into the same space, make a slip stitch, chain 2. This time we will count this. We are gonna make clusters with 4 double crochets. That's the first one, first half. Yarn over, insert, grab the yarn over, pull through 2, don't complete the double crochet. Pull through 2, pull through 2. 4 loops on the hook, just for the big starting, of course. Yarn over, pull through all, then chain 2. Into the next space, make half of a double, 2, 3, 4. Now 5 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through all, chain 2. Make these chains a little bit loose. 1, 2, 3, 4. Chain 2. Repeat this till the end. I made the last one, chain 2, and again join from the first chain and make a slip stitch. And for the row 3 we are gonna make clusters again, but this time we are gonna make it with 5 double crochets. Chain 2 as the first one, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pull through all, chain 3. This time chain 3. Insert into the next space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pull through all, chain 3. And repeat this till the end again. I'm at the end. This time, instead of joining with 3 chains, I'm gonna make a chain, yarn over, insert into the first chain, grab the yarn, 3 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through all. I made a half double crochet, so with this way I will directly start from in the middle of these chains. I'm gonna make half of the corner. 1, 2, 3, 4 chains as a triple. Yarn over twice. Insert into the space, grab the yarn, 4 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Make it one more time. Now we are making a square right now in this row, so I'm gonna use triples, double crochets and half double crochets. I will show you how to make them, so don't worry. Actually I show all of them before here. That's the treble, and I made a half double crochet here, and you know how to make a double crochet from the first row, so it will be easy. I made a chain. Into this next space I'm gonna put 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3. 1 chain. Into the next, make 3 half double crochets. Pull through all, 2, 3, chain 1, 3 double crochets, chain 1, and we will make the corner 3 triples, 2 chains, 3 more. 1, 2, 3, chain 2, 1, 2, 3, chain 1, 3 doubles, chain 1, 3 half doubles, chain 1, 3 more doubles, chain 1, and make the corner. Complete this row 2. I made 3 double crochets and a chain. Now I'm gonna make 3 triples. Chain 1, join with a half double crochet or single crochet, chain 3. That's the last row. Into the same space put a double crochet, into the next a double. We are gonna put 1 double crochet into each stitch or chain. You see, into this chain space put a double, into the chain space. That's the half double crochet stitch. It's a little bit hard to see this one. Chain space, make 3, chain, and make 3 more, into the corner I'm gonna put 2 double crochets, 2 chains, 2 more double crochets, and starting from this first stitch I'm gonna repeat the same thing. I'm at the end. I'm gonna put 2 double crochets into the corner, chain 1 or 2. I like to make it only 1 chain, cause when we join from here with a slip stitch, I like to count the slip stitch as a chain. Then cut your yarn, make 1 more chain, and that's all. Hope you like this tutorial. If you like, please thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Sirin's Crochet is my Instagram address. It's also my website, Etsy, Ravelry, Pinterest. You can find me anywhere you want. That's it for today. Hope to see you again. Have a nice day. Bye.